Okay guys, so now I'm going to be showing you guys a strategy that I observed. You can see my balance is 1810.36 and it reduced because I was actually doing some example on my YouTube page during that time. Now it was reduced to like 1007 or so, and then I think I was playing some game and the thing reduced to like 1006, but now it's already at 1810. Do you understand? And I think I got a commission of 5 naira or so. So now, yes, you can play any game you like, right? There are a lot of games on this thing, but I don't want you to lose your money. That is why I'm telling you to calm down and wait. So you can play Fortune Tiger. This is Fortune Tiger here. You can play Piggy Gold, and there's one that my friend told me about. That one now, the guy just entered, the guy just did chop money. This wild bandito, just the chop money inside down. But the thing is, me, I don't want us to do all this thing because the minimum bet is going to be 15 naira. So that 15 naira now, before you know, you don't lose all your 10k, you don't lose your 5k, you don't lose all your 20k. Although it's very rare, because before you go lose 20k, if you don't make some money. Do you understand? If you press this minus sign now, so you see that the minimum here is 14 naira. If you click on this one thing now, if you start to spin, do you understand? So but it is risky. But the guy just entered before he chop 7,000. Now everybody get different way with their luck they do. Me now, my luck fit shine, make your own no shine. You understand? This is Fortune Tiger. Same thing that you do here. You reduce the money to the lowest. If you get better money to risk, you fit dey play high amount. Do you understand? This thing na luck plus sense. Do you understand? The lowest is 15 naira. You can see it. Na luck plus sense. So this lowest is 15 naira. If you click on bet now, this round thing that is going now, to start to be spinning, you go win, you go lose. Na luck. But all this one now, they give you fast money. They're the ones that give you 15 now with 12k, 15k. This thing is just luck, sense, and calculation. Look at this other one too, Piggy Gold, the same thing. Is this are the games that people play more? You see that 304 people are on this game. See that 300 and something people are on this game. See it. Reduce the money. This bet here, click on it, tap it. Reduce the money to 1. You can see 15 and 15 naira. Click confirm. It means you are going to be betting the 15 naira when you click on that thing to spin. Do you understand? You can also win jackpots. All this 15 naira amount and they give big money. But let's not play it. Let's not play that one. Go to mine. Just scroll down like this. You see these mines that is here. Mines at the side after this crash, limbo crash, and mines. Click on these mines. Now, if you look at these mines, you can see that it's giving you 4 bombs at the right, 21 mines. It means in all these things that I are seeing in all these boxes, they have up to 21 mines that you can tap to unlock, and then 4 total bombs there. Do you understand? What we are going to do is we are not going to start playing immediately. There's a trick I saw, right? We are not going to be greedy. We just want to make what we can make and get out. You see this place now, you are seeing this 1.13x something. Leave it, come down, you see 100 naira. You see this minimum and maximum here, right? Click on the minimum, reduce the money to 10 naira. You see the maximum, if you click on it, it will become what? 100 naira. So click on that minimum to 10 naira, tap it, increase your money to 20 naira. Meaning we are going to be using just 20 naira to play. Click on OK. Now this mines, this 4 bomb here, we want to increase it. That's why if you click on mines, increase to 7. You see that the more I increase it, this one hit is showing 1.31. If I put it in 1, it means I can play plenty things here, but it's going to reduce the amount that I make because it's 1.0.3x, right? If I put 2, you see that 1.0.3x, but the second hit is 1.12. If I put 3 bombs, see that it's 1.07x. The second hit is 1.23. So the more the bomb, the more the money you can make. 1.18x, 1.5x. You see it for 2. But now I put 7, it's 1.31x. Then if you do 2 hits, it's 1.86. Now we're going to be doing only 2 hits. Do you understand? It means you want to choose 2 correct things and then you cash out. So now that I've put 20 naira, I've put this 7 bomb and I'll click on bet with 20 naira. My money is now going to be 1,790.36. I'll just choose randomly one, right? I choose another one, boom, no problem. I click on bet again, choose another one, just choose randomly. See it, I'm going to cash out 37.27 naira. Now remember, I use 20 naira to bet, so I'm making 37.20 on my 20 naira, right? It's like saying 20 minus 37.20. So I just made the small profit. I activate it. Sure, you see where this is that bump are. Just be, you see that my money have increased back to 1,008. I click bet again. Choose good place. Just choose any place randomly. I cash out again. You see, my money is already 18.23. Was it this amount before? Right? So just be choosing these two. What we are interested in is we want to make sure this our money is increasing. Even though you lose 3 times, don't go back there. Just continue doing it. This same 20 naira, 20 naira, 20 naira. The moment if I can grow this my money steadily with 20 naira to 3,000 naira, I will increase my money to 30 naira. If I increase my money to 30 naira with these same 7 bombs, I will keep playing only that 2 game. If I increase this money till like 4k with 30 naira or 5k with 30 naira, I will increase the money to 50 naira and I'll be playing 5k with the 50 naira and I'll be betting like that. Imagine just eating only 2. You go use your money steadily, make like 10k, you withdraw 5k, continue with another 5k. That is the plan and strategy I want us to use. So there's tendency that you always hit 2 correctly, even though you lose 2 times or 3 times. Am I making any sense? But yeah, let's try it out right now. Okay, so go to all games, go to all games, right? Or if you go to home, so you exit this. Mine was eating me, okay, so I have to take a break. So you load more games, then you go to Wild Bandit. It was my friend that was playing it before. I think this will make sense if you have good balance. You get plenty booster already, depending on waiting you job. Like I ate 100 and something. As when I use big money now, it will make sense. Chase it. If you did like level 1 thing like that, you will use them 2 naira and then 1, that's 14 naira, right? You can confirm, right? And then you can see there's 14 naira. I want 4, right? I can choose to use 10 naira, and that's 18 naira, right? To play, right? I click this now. So that means it's 8 naira, right? Just it. I play more. You can see the way it's playing. 1,500. One more. I don't win 3,000 plus. It's plenty. $dollars. I won 3,006. Shey dey see am now. Oh yeah, tapping. Okay, now so to those it may concern, we're going to be withdrawing soft 2k. You know, the money I deposited, I just want to remove my money first. So we remove like maybe 2k plus, like 2.5. You understand? Interest on our money. You understand? So you click on this deposit, that red sign, and then you click on withdraw. Now, first thing first, if you are eligible for withdrawal, they'll tell you from this blue thing, this blue message, they'll tell you it's time to withdraw, which they already sent to me, but you know, yeah, they sent it, and I've not been playing since because I was working with a lot of people. So that's story. I will explain a few times. Click on withdraw straight. You can see available balance 6,015. That's what you can withdraw. Do you understand? Now, we don't want to withdraw everything because we still want to be playing and be making money, right? So we'll click on 2,500 naira soft. They will take away 3%. You can see it's 3% fee, right? And you can see they credit us 2,425. So where are we withdrawing to? Access Bank. Holder name Jeremiah, right? Ayo Daniel. Soft. Bank type Access Bank, right? And then bank account number 039574304. In case you want show me love, na my account number be this, so 00395744304. So my phone number is 8100588932, right? Email address geremaheo141@gmail.com, right? WhatsApp 08100588932, and I can even put plus. Can put +234 in case, because it's not just one country that is here. So +234, right? 81005. Change this one to +234, because it's not just one country that is there. Or 08100588932. No space for +234. Then you click on save. So you click on withdraw here now. Tap that withdraw. Due to bank problem, it may take a long time to arrive at the bank. If the bank card information is correct, the funds will enter your bank card within 10 minutes, 24 hours. If you have any question, please contact Telegram account. So click on got it. Our money should let me refresh. Our money should see is now 4,210, right? I'm still going back to go and play. So this is 5:11 p.m. and this is the account in my balance. Yeah, my account balance every day. So the money is not here. This is 5. See all the debits, 1 credit, debit. Ah God, debits. For God will help us. So be waiting. 5:10, 5:11. Yes. Yo guys, so it's almost time, and this is 5:19. The money is already in my balance. Look at it here. Can you see it? Board Infrastructure Limited, 2,425. You can see it here now. So yeah, they paid. Whee! So go and make your money, right? And then invest wisely, right? Invest wisely. Let me go out of this page. So we check here. You can see we just successful, right? So I'm going to show you somebody that joined yesterday by 6, and you can see the person cash out, right? So look at, man, this is yesterday, right? 6:04. So when I was guiding the person was depositing and everything by 6:04. It is available 6:05, 2010, 6:05. You can see I was guiding the person on game. You can see Bandito, Wild Bandito. That's after you load boom, right? Wild Bandito. You can see the person is showing me how it's loading everything. Then start playing, right? Person reduced the money to 80 naira, and then the person started playing. See that his money was dropping, but one was 60 here, right? So the person collect 2,692. So you see it, money became 4K with 18 naira. See, so by then he couldn't withdraw because he was just starting on 4K. So you need to go play that mine 30 times with that. Then they'll show you your balance if you don't reach, right? They'll show you available balance. So that's if you want to withdraw. Go play to some extent, then go open the withdrawal. They go even send you a message for the envelope, say you are now eligible to withdraw. Before you know, he went to play and he won 6,400. That's how much? 14,000, right? So okay. So the next thing, he played the game 8,000. So this place is not really that 8,000. He won 10,005 with 18 naira. Look at this down part, 10,592 with 18 naira. So he was just doing this super mega win and he was showing me, right? CDT here. Look at this 14,006, 80, and then 10,005. So this place is where you'll be looking. If you win something, you know total of what you won in that place, right? So his money became 14,006. Let's move on. This was 650. As I was saying, send shots. He sent me shots 652. Another 11,000 loading. This 11,000 now is winning 23,448. His total money was now 27,000 naira. You are seeing it. This is 652. See, he's showing me 23,900. So you see. Okay. So he now withdrew. He withdrew from here. Told him to withdraw 22,000. So you know when you win an amount, there's an amount they will ask you to lock up in the account. But the amount you can withdraw, they'll show you 24,000. This out of 27, right? They told him he can withdraw 24,003. So he kept on playing. Do you understand? And then by 7:03, 7:17, he played. Okay, I sent him my account number that he should credit me to get. That should show some love. And then some people wanted to join. That's why I sent him the link. So because his friends were with him. So now 7:17, 5,006. Are you seeing it? The main money was actually 6,808. I can see it from here, where he has this 12,000 naira, 80, and then 6,008 because he has withdrawn. He withdrew 20,000, so he had 12k, and then he won 6,000. Then he won another one again, 18,000. He won 18,152. So here he's showing 23,156. It's 89 and he won 152 here, right? And then later he won 23,348 again. The total money that was in his account before was 28k, and he's still playing with 18 naira. He won 23,348. You can see it. And then 23,348. So he made a total of 58. See, I was screaming. This BN you can see here, I was really screaming for him. So I asked him how much. 753. I asked him how much did you make total. He said 58,000 by 8. So he was trying to withdraw. Withdrawal is once. That's why they said number of withdrawal exceeds the limit. So withdrawal is once in a day. So his balance to withdraw was around that 26,000 something because he has withdrawn 20,000 before. So he had to wait. I said wait till 12. Thanks. I see you a lot because they credited him. All this while he was winning all this one, he was waiting for alert for the first one because they pay under 10 minutes. So okay. So Alpha. So he saw the alert. He actually said it in the group that I have seen the alert because we're even on phone, right? So Alpha, good morning. Good morning. You don't withdraw a bit? Yes. Sharp. How much? 20k, right? Soft 40k. Do you understand? So you can see it like that, right? So there are a lot of people, right? You can see my group. I also give insights, right? I also give insight on games you can play. But you see that Bandito is very nice. This Bandito is very, very nice. Just stay at 18 naira. So thanks for watching. Kindly click the subscribe button to subscribe, and then follow us on all social medias, on Instagram at JerryKeys, and on our Telegram. I'm going to put the Telegram info on the description. Click the subscribe, click the thumbs up if this worked for you, right? Cheers.